hello. How are you today? So I'm very excited because I'm heading into Alco for the night. It's like only 11:30 now, but like I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna stop into Tesco and get myself some to eat because there's never any food for me when I go down there because, well, I don't live there anymore. So I need to get something for me to eat tonight because otherwise I'm gonna starve like I always do when I go down. But yeah, and that's all. I done a little photo shoot this morning. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram or not. I mean, but I was really feeling myself this morning, so I done a little photo shoot. It's just so funny. Okay, right. I can't wait to go home and like edit them and like put them up. But yeah, that's what's up. So I finally am wearing these pearls. I figured out a way to wear them. I just have like, if you look at the back, I've tried them like that, just so like they're not like an actual old lady's pair of pearls. They're like a young and fun pair of pearls. So, and I've just paired them with my cross because I think it looks cute. And then I have on like my crystals, my Swarovski, another chain, and this one I robbed from my mum's room. So, and a ring, this little ring that I got from ASOS Marketplace. Oh my god, if I want to focus on the ring, that would be amazing. No, okay, well it's not going to focus on it, so take my word for it, that's cute. It's in my recent fashion haul if you haven't seen it, so let's go and hit the road because I hate driving, so I want to get this over and done with fast. So let's go. It's not even sunny out, but you know.
My best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She twerk and she throw it down and come back in. My best friend.
You heard the new Doja Cat song because I'm in love.
Can you kiss me more? We're so young, boy, the way you do. Oh. Sing first, middle, last on the wisdom too.
I've yet to learn the lyrics of this one, so we're just going next this one for. Oh, I love
In
it.
3 kilometers at junction
Shut the fuck
18,
up.
take the M17 exit to Sligo.
And I'm satisfied. Oh, no. Even though the guys are crazy, yeah, I'll show you mine.
I get out of this exit and then we'll go on to the next one. I'm just realising copyright is going to be a bitch on this video.
Junction 18. Keep left at the fork.
Shut up!
Ask myself, how much do you love? It's my life. It never ends.
Okay, right, karaoke time's over, so I need to focus. Okay, watch this guys, okay? Progress. Just slow movements are like put this way, actually. I'm trying to get the foot movement. Oh my god, am I moving with them? Like trying to get my foot moving. Yeah. Progress.
That was the video.
Yeah. The sky actually looks so nice. And who just got served? We did. What did we get? We got 2 vegan salads. Well, oh my god, there's like bread in them. Okay, I'll give you your own card. You can see. We drive somewhere and somewhere like, you know, really scenic. And then I got like just a normal latte because they had no matcha left. Oh my goodness. Ow. So tasty. Doesn't it? Oh my goodness. My mouth's actually watering. Alright, be right back. The tiles in. This is the part where we're going to be laying them in like a herringbone kind of style. And then the grey tile back here. It's going to be a huge like difference when it's all done, but like it's going to look amazing. Now the wall tiles are a bit delayed, but it's still going to be fine. And then here's going to be all tiled. Lights over here. pendant lights here, some pictures back there, moving this display fridge over to there, and putting some shelf in here. This is going to be a new logo here, and like a shelving unit here, and like a window seat here. But yeah, that's where we're at the moment. Tiles are in, so they'll be getting put in next week, which is very exciting. I'm actually like, I'm literally about to burst into tears. Like, it's actually insane. It's not even, I can't even put into words how grateful I am right now. Like, it's just insane. Like, I'm actually like shaking. This has just been something, like, I wasn't going to do it this year. I was going to wait and see how this year played out and then do it next year, but the opportunity presented itself and I took it, and long story short, I'm getting a new car, and it's a really nice car. It's a really nice car, and those who are, if you've been around here for a while, you know my story of my current car, the troubles I've had with it. So to have a proper car now is just going to be insane. Like, I just feel so thankful and grateful. Literally this past like couple months, I've literally not stopped working. Like, I haven't had a day off in a long time, but it's because I'm trying my hardest to build something here, and it's working. And I just feel very thankful that for the clients that I've gained the past few months, I'm very thankful for them. To the job opportunity that I've been given, I'm very thankful for that. And just my life is really starting to sound so cringe, but like come to a place that I've been working for so long, and it's quite emotional. We're just staring at the pier. We got these really lovely salads from Alaska.
Coach has us good
good complex carbs here.
Ooh, delicious. Oh wow, this is delicious. Oh my goodness. Nice. This is so tasty. Yummy. So we just got pizzas from the, what's called the diner. I got the vegan with mushrooms. Maeve also got that. Spice boxes and the sun. So we're just on the beach now, having a few drinks because it's so sunny outside. That's actually a nice angle. Okay, we're just gonna get a picture and I'll be back. I'm at the gym or something and drink to that. Yeah. Don't let the bastards get you down. Cover our own with another round. There's a party at the bar. Everybody put your glasses up and like to them.
Fellow with a lot and
Yeah.
You should hold on to the guitar for his kid. We all just wanna be big nuts and living in top houses driving 50.
Oh, we gotta live in a world of our own. I said the things that no one else knows. I let you in when no one else goes. What I'm doing without you. All of the things I've been looking for. Oh. Just on work at the moment. I just got given a candle, and this is so exciting because I never get gifts. So I'm like a bit like very happy with this. Oh, I can't even. I'm nervous to open it because it's such a pretty package and I just want to treasure it. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's a candle. Oh, I love candles. And it's like a handmade one as well. Like, I'm really, really excited about it. It smells fucking unreal. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells like Christmas or something. Like, it's notes of tobacco, honey, spices, and sandalwood. It's beautiful. All in scent. The House of Jazz. It smells very good.
I chatter as I float.
Okay, update on the utility room. So, these doors are going, I don't care. They're going. And it's going to be built up here, but the Velux windows are in, so they're going to be going in this week. And the wall is closed up there. The window's in there. And yeah, so In here, there's gonna be like skylights along here, and that's the bathroom. And there's gonna be a skylight inside there, just to let light in. And then I want to close this up and have like the opening like here, and have that closed off, and then run the units along this wall here, and then the worktop here, and then like kind of tile halfway up the wall here, and kind of have a different kind of pattern then on that wall with a tile, and tiles on the floor, and then like get some hooks or something you can pull out and hang your clothes on. I think that'd be nice. So yeah, let's get plastered and chased and everything out this week. But it's just like an update on what this project is looking like. I think it's going to be really cool. Anyway, I don't even know if you can see it because it's my phone camera now. I'll see. So yeah, I think it's going to look really, really good. I'm excited to get like the units ordered and the tiles ordered and do all like them kind of fun things. Because that's the fun part, like getting everything like kind of the construction side of things. I'm just like not really interested, but the patterns and everything else, I'm like getting very excited about it. I think it's gonna look really, really cool. So it's gonna remeasure the walls and stuff just to make sure all the units are gonna fit, and yeah, it'll look amazing. Do you have enough leg room?
Put your legs up further. I am squished. What's my leg? You want to stay up there? So what hour is the 21st? Alright, you can go to happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Tara Kelly 101.
Happy birthday to you. How do you feel to be 21, Tara?
I feel old as a grandmother. Yeah, wow. Ew,
Well,
who even is she?
you
I
look as-
can't wait to get my hip replaced.
You look as young as a fetus. So young, so beautiful, so beautiful.
So beautiful. Hello. I am so sorry. I am sorry for all of you people watching. I am sorry.
I'm not.
No, me.
No, I'm sorry. This beautiful face. You're lucky to be looking at this beautiful face. Lucky. You're so beautiful, Catherine. I'm so glad to have some beautiful friends.
So beautiful.